Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I know nobody needs a tutorial really to make this very easy blanket or scarf or shawl, but sometimes inspiration comes when you're watching a video or if you just even see pictures. So here's a very easy blanket or scarf that you can crochet. So let's get started. The one I'm showing you is in a variegated color. So you could use that for a summer shawl, or you could use darker colors. Today I'm going to do the demo in this color, and it's Red Heart Super Saver, and this color is Artist Print. And I'm going to use a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, and your foundation chain will be any length that you would like. If you're making a shawl, your foundation chain will be from one hand to the other stretched across. You could work at the short rows if you like, in which case then you would start with a foundation chain that's as long as you would like your shawl to be when you're wearing it. So just start out with your foundation chain. Okay, as long as you would like it to be. And then you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And then when you get to the end of the row, all you're going to do is chain 2 and turn. And then double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. And you'll repeat that row over and over until your shawl or your bed scarf or table runner or whatever you're making is the size that you would like it to be. So you'll just keep repeating that row over and over until you achieve the size that you would like your project to be. And then when you're done, it's optional. If you'd like to add a fringe, you can add a fringe along both ends. To add a fringe, you're going to cut your yarn approximately 8 inches long, fold it in half, insert your hook into a stitch, pick up the fold and pull it through, and then pick up the 2 ends and pull them through that loop. And that's called a lark's head knot. So you can go ahead and add a fringe on both ends if you like. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this shawl or blanket or bed scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.